So, Mrs. Jones, Loving Life Jones, wanted to have an update on my hair, like what am I doing? She said it's growing very good and looking good. Well, as you can see, I should probably be doing a retwist. As you see, my locks are maturing. I've been bedazzling them. Right now, I see dry flakes flying out of my hair because I did not moisturize them today. And today is a cold day. We're dealing with fall weather. But Miss Jones, Loving Life Jones, Tasha, I've been doing the same thing that I've been doing since day one. I spray my hair with water. I've been putting oil in my hair. The oil I've been using is whatever is in my cabinet. A lot of times I have grape seed oil and olive oil at the same time. So I put it over in a little bottle. I put some essential oil, some tea tree or lavender. I want to go buy me some rosemary. I want some rosemary. But I put it in the oil plus the spray bottle, and I normally just spray my hair every morning. And probably like every 3-4 days, whenever I remember, I put oil in my hair. But now that, look at that, my dry skin. Now that it's getting cold outside, I need to try to make sure I oil it every morning. And that's all I've been doing to my hair. About 4 months ago, I think it's been 4 months, I actually put a black dye rinse in my hair just to bring back the dark color because of all the lint and because I have gray hair. But I decided not to do that no more because I don't want those chemicals on my scalp. Same reason why I don't get a perm. One point in time, I used to wear a headband to help keep my hair out the way. And my edges has always have been, I don't know what you call it. They come out easy. Tender, sensitive. I don't know. They're easy to snatch out. I used to go to the African shops to get my hair braided. And it will always, all this will always come out. But my edges don't like to be tame. This spot right here came from the last retwist of me twisting my edges in. So what I need to do is when I retwist my hair is to leave this out. Just let it stay out. What else? Oh, I talked a lot on my other channel about me having a bumpy lock. And that I love my bumpy lock and I was going to leave my bumpy lock alone. Well, y'all, I combed the bumpy lock out. And when I combed it out, there was like a ton of shedded hair. And it went to about right here, combed out. So it wasn't that much longer. A lot of the hair just broke out and shedded out. The bumpy lock starts here. So I knew I wasn't going to leave the lock in. I always fantasize about combing one of my locks out just to see how long it is. But with a small comb and combing, all the hair does is break and snap. And you lose all your length anyway. So it really wasn't worth it. But I had to scratch that itch. So when I put this lock back in, I took all the shedded hair and stuck it back in the lock and curled it up, and then I put these things on it. I did this a couple of months ago. I put these things on here to help the shedded hair stay in, and this is how this 2-month-old lock looks. I could take these things right here out now. I probably should, just to keep the lock from having indentations in it. But it is now secure enough to maintain itself. But I think it looks so pretty with having all these go down it like this. Another thing is about a month ago, I did a apple cider rinse in my hair. I know a lot of people do the apple cider baking soda. I didn't have no baking soda, so I just did apple cider. I was getting in the shower one day. I knew I was washing my hair and my hair was feeling stiff and it wasn't like moving as much as it normally moves. And I knew that I probably had buildup. So after I did the apple cider vinegar rinse, I took a cup and I just put my hair in there and squoze, and just did all over my head and then washed it. It felt better. I'm pretty sure that buildup came from because I use conditioner. I'm like, when I don't use conditioner, my hair feels stiff. I need the conditioner to make my hair feel soft. So that's that. One day I would like to do a hot oil treatment and a steam treatment to my hair. When I get a steamer, that I will do. And that is it. I never really had a problem with growing my hair. I had a problem with retaining the length in my hair. Because my hair would tangle so much and break. But the shea butter mix that I mix up that I would use in curly hair has grown her hair, has thickened her hair. A lot of people around me notice how much her hair has grown and thickened, and they want me to make cream for them. I recently gave out cream to about 10 different people. They wanted to buy the cream, but I wanted them to try the cream first. And if all goes well and they like it, then I'm sure they will share the news with other people, and I will be making and selling cream. Most people will be excited about that. I'm kind of iffy about it. I should be glad, to go on my business, be doing myself a business. I feel like it's nothing though. I mean, you can look on YouTube, and basically it's just I buy the shea butter, I use the oils out my cabinet, I throw some essential oils in there and some stuff that I know that's good for your hair, and I blend it up in a food processor that I use only for making shea butter mix. And it's pure butter and oil. There's no water in it, so it lasts for a long time. And I just tell people when they use it, you have to spray your hair with water first. Mix your hair with water. Don't have to be soaking wet. Mix your hair with water and then put the oil, because there's no water in there. Your hair needs water. I think that's what grows my hair. Water grows my hair like it grows a plant. And the oil just helps you retain length. So, how long have I been talking? Okay. So, Mrs. Jones, Love and Life Jones, that is it. I want to scratch right now, y'all, because my head itch. It is dry. It's actually time to be washed. Now that I think about it, I should have washed it last weekend, and I didn't. But I will wash it this weekend because it is dry. But I'm loving the movement since I did that apple cider vinegar rinse. I got life back in my hair. Oh, yeah. I got long hair problems too, y'all. When I'm doing stuff, my hair is always in my eyes. When I'm cleaning, I be having to move my hair out my way. I had to put it up in a ponytail. When I work out, I had to put it up in a ponytail. When I cook, I had to put it in a ponytail. Seen one of those videos where I was showing y'all me cooking, and I put my head down and my hair went in a pan that I was getting ready to cook the fries on. Yeah, I had long hair problems, and I'm happy about it. And it ain't even that long, but just being able to say I got long hair problems. My hair is 16 months old. 16-month-old locks that I'm loving. And that's it. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for asking Mrs. Jones, Love and Life Jones. Anytime you want another update, just let me know and I will do it. In the meantime, I'll talk to y'all later because I am just a mom of 4.